Welcome to the third episode of our micro podcast series at Pixel Viilage, and I'm your host, Radha Krishnan. Today, let's try and burst a common myth in the world of photography: the belief that mastering the manual mode is essential for capturing great photos. In this episode, we will explore why understanding your camera setting matters, but more importantly, we will discuss how creating incredible images goes far beyond just the mode that you're using. Many photographers, whether they are just starting out or have been taking images for or creating images for years, often feel the pressure to shoot in manual mode, thinking it's the only way to take or to shoot truly professional looking images. While manual mode provides great control and can be mighty effective in the hands of a skilled photographer, it's not the sole path to stunning photography. The real power of a photograph lies in the ability to tell a story, stir emotions, and freeze a moment in time, regardless of whether it was taken in a manual, automatic, or any other mode in between. Now let's look at some of the most iconic photos throughout the history. Many were captured in situations where quick reflexes and a keen eye for the moment were far more important than, trying to fiddle with the camera setting during the shoot. Photography is an art form, and it's like all art, it's deeply personal and subjective. It's crucial to understand the basics of exposure, composition, and lighting. Knowing how shutter speed, aperture, and ISO interact can definitely help you make informed decisions, whether you are in manual mode or not. But don't let the technical aspects obstruct your creative flow. Often, what's most important is your perspective and the narrative you are aiming to convey through your lens. Now, there are so many examples that you can find if you look back, where the photographer lands on a place where, he finds himself having the wrong film speed or a wrong lens, but his sheer ingenuity helped him create an amazing photograph. Now, let's dive a little deeper. In manual mode, you control every aspect of the exposure, which can be both gratifying and educational. However, modern cameras come with smart automatic and semi-automatic modes that are quite capable of handling a variety of scenarios very, very impressively. Now, these modes are tools at your disposal, and utilizing them don't diminish your creativity or value of your work. The trick lies in knowing when and how to use each mode effectively. Moreover, a photographer's journey isn't solely about mastering technical skills. It's about nurturing one's vision, understanding light, and forging a connection with your subject. It's about experimentation and discovering your distinct style. Whether you are framing a landscape, a portrait, or a candid street scene, for example, the emotions and the story behind the image is what truly connect with your audience. As you continue to evolve and expand your skills, remember that every photographer's path is different. Some might prefer a precision or a manual mode, while others might excel with the spontaneity of automatic modes. Both approaches and everything that is in between are valid. The finest photographers understand their gear and how to use it, but they also recognized that their vision, creativity, and the adaptability are what truly makes their photographs remarkable. So don't feel compelled to stick strictly to manual mode. Instead, focus on developing comprehensive skill sets that covers technical know-how, a creative vision, and an in-depth understanding of your subject. And most importantly, keep shooting. Like someone said, practice, 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 and then practice again. The more you click, the more you will discover what works for you and what doesn't. And if you are ever keen on exploring different techniques, including manual mode, or simply wish to brush up on the basics, our online platform at www.pixelvillage.com offers a variety of resources and courses designed to enrich your photography journey at your own pace. When you are ready, do pay us a visit. Remember, the optimal camera mode is the one that enables you to capture the vision you see. Your photography journey is uniquely yours, and we are here to support you at every step. So keep capturing those moments and never cease to explore the boundless possibilities of your creativity. And if you enjoyed this chat and found it useful, please share it with your community. And yes, subscribe our channel. That'll be awesome. Happy shooting.